Cooperate, definition. Cooperate in a sentence. Cooperate, pronunciation. Cooperate, meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of cooperate. Cooperate. Co-op-er-ate. Cooperate. Cooperate as a verb means to work together towards the same goal. Common usages in academic writing: to cooperate with, to cooperate on the project, to cooperate on research. Example sentence, cooperate, verb. All participants cooperated with requests to turn over their phones during the interview. The common academic writing variation is cooperation, noun. We worked in close cooperation with the FDA when designing our prototype. Please write a sentence using cooperate in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use cooperate confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.